What's the matter, boss? Is there anything I can do to help?
Only if I have the strength to do it. Okay, look. We got the kid. Dipper. That cop. He was the one who staged my death, and now I fought back.
Jesus Christ.
What? It's what you wanted, right?
Killing a rat may seem bad enough, but killing a normal child who was secretly working for the police. This is crazy.
I know it is crazy, but I have no choice. It was revenge. However, there is one thing we have to do.
And what's that?
We have to kill Terrence. And this time, we're going to get it right.
What happened, Chuck? Is there something wrong?
I don't know how I'm supposed to say this, it's just too much.
What do you mean? Just say it.
He's dead. Dipper is dead. Blindspot killed him.
Oh my God. No. How could this happen?
And now he's also planning to kill our whole family as well. And the associates we're friends with.
What are we going to do, Chuck? What if Blindspot bombs our house, or worse?
Blue, calm down. The police will sort it. We'll have to try to deal with this problem somehow.
What movie are we watching?
Pop Gun. Maverick? My cousin's father used to be called like that when he was a kid.
Oh, cool. I guess Tom Cruise never aged at all, did he?
Oh, come on! I was watching my favorite part!
Megszakítjuk a filmet, hogy néhány friss hírrel szolgáljunk. Jelenleg tűzhelyzetről kapunk bejelentéseket a Raiffeisen Bank Nyíregyháza belvárosához közeli központjában. Úgy gondolják, hogy néhány ember, aki felelős a madárcsalád rablásáért, betört a bankba, és mindenkit arra kért, hogy feküdjön a földre, és követelje a pénzt. A rendőrök azonnal reagáltak a helyszínre. Nem messze azonban a Raiffeisen Bank épületétől újabb túszesemény történt. Egy másik helyi bankóriás, az OTP Bank bukott. Az épületet Ronald bácsi embereinek egy másik csoportja ejtette túlszul. Az egyik fegyveres arra kényszerítette a könyvelőt, hogy az ablakhoz egy táblát tartson, amelyen halál a madárcsaládra volt írva. A rendőrség szerint ezeket a támadásokat Douglas McKenzie, vagy a legtöbben Blindspotnak hívják. Azt állítja, hogy mindezt azzal a kísérlettel kezdte, hogy bosszúból leverje a madárcsaládot.
Wait! Raiffeisen Bank! Oh my God, that's where Hilda is right now. She told me about the car theft.
Jesus Christ! How could Blindspot do this? He's insane!
Oh God, I really don't like this.
I need to get Hilda out of there right now.
Maggie, are you crazy? It's too dangerous. What if you get yourself killed?
She's in there. I am not letting her die in there. That's why I'm going in.
Maggie, stop.
There you are, Vanna. What were you doing in your room all day? You haven't come down. You haven't eaten your breakfast, lunch, nothing. Is everything okay?
There's something I have to tell you, but please don't be mad for what I'm about to say.
Why would we ever be mad at you, Vanna? What happened?
So, about a day ago, or week, I don't know, I have been talking to an FBI agent.
An FBI agent? What are you talking about?
She asked me questions about the heist, and the people that are responsible for... I visited the same agent from before, and I gave her information about the heist. And it turns out that I've been an informant along.
You're what? What do you mean you're an informant?
I'm so sorry, Mom. I know it sounded stupid, but I had to tell you. Ronald threatened that if I didn't retrieve the safe and the money that Daniel had, he'd kill me. He even knew that I was an informant, too.
Oh, Vanna. Why?
Is this a joke? You've been an informant for weeks and you didn't tell us? Why the hell would you work for the FBI that young?
Jason, cut it out.
You're 12 years old, Vanna. This is not normal. What kind of child would be involved in this kind of shit? You are a disgrace to this country, Vanna. I thought I trusted you, and this is the trust I get? What kind of child are you?
Jason.
Vanna, wait. Come back. I'm sorry.
Are you happy now?
Stop. You're not going anywhere. You have made a very big mistake.
Don't do this, Ronald. I'm begging you. You don't have to do it.
I can and I will. If you haven't been in business with the FBI, none of this wouldn't happen. And now look what you made me do.
I get it, Ronald. I can get how angry you are. I'll bring the money back.
Too late. You refuse to listen to us. Your friends have been trying to destroy my life long enough, and it's all your fault.
Ronald.
Shut up!
Shut up, you piece of shit. Please. If you dare try to interrupt me again, you're done. You blew every chance you had in your life. There is nothing you can do to escape from your guilt. Your alliance with the FBI has gone way out of line. And yes, your father was right. You really are a disgrace to this country, and it's my duty to finish it all.
Stop. Stop! Please stop! Please stop! Please stop it! Stop it!
This is for Blindspot, you worthless son of a bitch.